Okay, so now I want to show it to you how we want to print a worksheet. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show it to you is about the page setup of the worksheet. All right, inside that page setup, okay, you have a page orientation. You can set the margins, and then you can insert the header and footer, and also there is one tab that is named as a sheet. That is any additional setting of the printing, okay, that you can set into your worksheet. Okay, so how we want to get that page setup dialog box, okay, actually there is two options, okay. Either, all right, you go to insert, okay, insert tab, okay, all right. So from this insert tab, inside the ribbon under text group, you can see one button, okay, for you to insert the header and footer. Okay, this is another way. All right, and then if you click page layout tab, okay, from here also you can see there is a page setup buttons, such as I said earlier, you can change the margin, all right, you can change the orientation, you can set the size of the paper that you want to print, all right. Also from here also you can set the print area. Okay, another way to have a page to display the page setup is by clicking this button. Okay, so click this button, this tiny arrow button. All right, so when you click, you will get this dialog box. Okay, so this is a page setup button. Okay, dialog box, sorry, same as the previous one. You can set the orientation, you can set the paper size, you can set the margins. You also from here you can insert the header and the footer, and also another setting including the print area, all right, and then the quality of the print, the output of the hard copy, you can set it from here. And also from here, all right, there is a button for you to print, or you want to have a print preview, all right. And then when you click these options, all right, actually this is depends on printer properties. Actually they depend, they display the printer properties. Okay, so this is my printer. Okay, so this is the properties of my printers. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, we try to insert the header and the footer. Okay, example, we want to insert the header. All right, so custom. All right, so from here, okay, they give you an option. So right, either you want to put it at the left, center, or the right section. Example, I just put at the left. Okay, okay, all right, and then I click OK. So all right, and then I click OK. So I go to print preview. So if you go to the print preview, you will see, all right, what I have typed before at the header, all right, at the left side, okay, will appear in a print preview. Okay, so but okay, if all right, you go back to your data, they didn't display any header here. All right, they just display the header or the footer at the print preview, and then also the output after you print your data. All right, so now another example. Okay, we want to, all right, change the orientation from portrait to landscape. All right, and then if you want to change the margins, all right, and then also the worksheet, all right, if you want to set any print area. Okay, I will show it to you after this, the print area. All right, so I just go to the print preview. All right, so this is the output of the print preview. So if you see here, okay, my paper, okay, so the output will be more than one page. Okay, so you see here, okay, I have 2 pages here. So I think, okay, this output is not very nice. Okay, so I want to put everything in one page. Okay, so what can I do is, okay, I go back to home. I go back to our actual data. All right, and then can you see there is a view tab? Okay, all right, inside the view tab, inside the ribbon, there is a workbook views. Okay, one button is a page break preview. So you click this page break preview, you will see actually my data has been divided into 2 pages. Okay, so I want to put everything in one page. So can you see there is a blue dash line here? All right, you move your cursor until you see there is a 2 arrowhead mouse cursor there, and then you just move, okay, until the end of the column. Okay, so they will put everything in one page. Okay, so now I want to try again. All right, sorry, okay, page setup, I go to print preview. So they will put everything in one page, and then you can directly print this output, all right, with the header.